Deleting a Google Business Profile account has become a whole lot easier, but there are still a couple pitfalls to watch out for along the way. First, you need to go to the business you want to delete. The easiest way to do that is to go to Google and search for your business name. If you can find it, just type in the word My Business. As long as you are signed in with the Google profile or Gmail account used to set it up, you should find it immediately. Once you confirmed you have the right business, there is one thing to consider before deleting it. If you are deleting it because you don't want people to discover your address, there is a simple way to remove the address without deleting the entire profile. You can toggle your address on or off in Google settings. However, assuming that is not the case and you still want to proceed with deleting your business, here's what you need to do. Click on the three-dot menu. Then click on Remove Business Profile or Delete Company Profile. Google will ask you if you want the business to be gone forever or just close temporarily with the option to reopen it in the future. If you are unsure, choose Stop Managing the Profile initially. This allows you to pass ownership to someone else if needed. However, if you are sure you want to delete the business permanently, choose Delete Profile Content and Managers. This will erase all traces of your business from Google. Keep in mind that while Google mentioned websites and advertising disappearing, it only refers to those associated with the Google Business Profile. Your other campaigns and corporate website won't be affected. You can also back up your profile before deleting it, just in case you want to reinstate it later. Once you're ready, confirm the deletion. It may take some time for Google to remove it entirely from their system. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.